Prime Minister Mohammad Shehbaz Sharif and Foreign Minister Mohammad Ishaq Dar will attend the World Economic Forum special meeting on global collaboration, growth, and energy to be held in Riyadh, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, from 28th to 29th of April. They have received invitations from His Royal Highness Mohammed bin Salman bin Abdulaziz Al Saud, Crown Prince and the Prime Minister of the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, and Professor Klaus Schwab, the founder and executive chairman of the World Executive Forum. High level participation in the forum will afford an important opportunity to present Pakistan's priorities, specifically in global health architecture, inclusive growth, revitalizing regional collaboration, and the need for striking a balance between promoting growth and energy consumption. On the margins of the main event, the Prime Minister and the Foreign Minister will hold bilateral meetings with world leaders, heads of international organizations and bodies, and other leading personalities participating in the event. Furthermore, Prime Minister Mohammad Shehbaz Sharif will visit the Gambia to participate in the 15th OIC summit being held in the Gambia on 4th to 5th of May. The summit is being convened at a critical time for the Muslim Ummah as the war on the people of Gaza continues unabated. It will be an important occasion for the OIC leaders to deliberate upon the deteriorating situation in Gaza and project a strong, collective, and unified stance on the Palestinian question. At the summit, the Prime Minister will speak about Pakistan's grave concern on the genocide in Gaza, the right of self-determination of the people of Jammu and Kashmir, imperatives of solidarity and unity of the Ummah, rising Islamophobia and terrorism, and other contemporary global challenges.